Hello everyone, today we're gonna solve a two-sum question. We are given an integer array and a target integer. We have to find two numbers in the input array which sum to the target integer. In this example, the target is 11. So 5 and 6 add up to 11. Then we have to return the indices of these two numbers. In this case, the index of 5 is 3 and the index of 6 is 4. Let's analyze the algorithm using this example. From the first element in this array, the integer 3 add 8 is 11, which is the target number. And 8 is the difference between the target number and the integer 3. Therefore, we are looking for whether the number 8 is in the input array, since we have to check the difference of every integer in the array. We can generate a new array which contains the differences between the target and the input array. In this case, it is 8, 7, 7, 6, and 5. A thing to notice is that 5, 6 both appear in the input and the new array. That's our answer for this scenario. To complete our algorithm, we have to fix one issue, which is that we cannot use the same number twice. It implies that if the target number is an even number, we have to check whether the finding answer is used twice. For example, if the target number is 6, we got a new array is 3, 2, 2, 1, and 0. 3 is not our answer because it used itself twice. If the target number is 8, the new array is 5, 4, 4, 3, and 2. 4 and 4 is our answer, as well as 5 and 3. Okay, now let's look at the code. The two-sum function first doing the cleaning job to make sure there's no any number that will be used twice for the even target number. After the input array is cleaned, it will find the number that add up to the target number. Finally, it returns the indices of those numbers. You can see for the target 11, it returns the indices of 3 and 4. For the target of 6, it returns empty indices. For the target of 8, it returns the indices of 0, 1, 2, 3. Well, it's the end of today's episode. See you next episode.